Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best nail polish set in the gel category, long-lasting, versatile, and absolutely perfect for DIY manicures at home. This is the ROSALIND 30pcs Gel Nail Polish Set, a complete kit designed to give salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Inside the box, you're greeted with 26 stunning mini bottles of gel nail polish, each holding 5 milliliters. These aren't your average shades either. You get a full seasonal spread, from soft nudes and classic reds to bold blues, greens, yellows, and vibrant oranges. It's the kind of palette that works all year round, whether you're prepping for a cozy winter night or a summer beach party. Next, you'll find 4 essential top and base coats: glossy, matte, glitter, and base coat. These no-wipe formulas give you the freedom to switch up your style. Want a sleek, professional finish? Use the glossy top coat. Prefer a trendy velvety look? Go matte. Feeling a little extra? The glitter top coat brings sparkle to any shade, and here's the fun part. It layers beautifully over any base color for a custom finish every time. This upgraded glitter gel is a showstopper. One bottle, endless combos. Try it on a nude base for subtle shimmer or over a bright color for instant glam. The polish layers smooth, and the pigmentation is impressive even in one coat. And if you're wondering about application, the Easy Glide brush makes it a breeze. The bristles are flexible yet firm, letting you get clean lines and even coverage without any streaking. Now, let's talk durability. Once cured properly under a UV lamp, these gel polishes are built to last. ROSALIND promises up to 21 days of wear without chipping, fading, or peeling. That's 3 whole weeks of vibrant color and shine. Whether you're typing, cleaning, or crafting, your manicure stays intact. This set isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Perfect for home use, the kit includes a manual that breaks down color pairings and step-by-step instructions. So whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned nail artist, this set makes the process enjoyable and easy. Plus, it's a fantastic way to spend time with friends or unwind with a bit of self-care. Compact, well-designed, and packed with variety, this ROSALIND Gel Nail Polish Set checks all the boxes. Whether you're building your nail kit from scratch or upgrading to a more professional option, this set delivers value, quality, and creativity in one sleek package. So, if you're looking for the best nail polish set that's gel-based and long-lasting, look no further. The ROSALIND 30pcs Gel Nail Polish Set is a must-have for every nail enthusiast. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews of the best products online. See you next time.